So AI's out of the bag, right? Everybody's using it, and I hear a lot of coaches using it, book coaches, to write the book for them. In fact, there's software that will write the book for you. But that's not how I use AI in my programs. No, because my clients want to write a book that attracts clients to who they are and to their own business. And they really like the fact that the book often has the side effect of leaving a lasting legacy, an impact. And you can't get that if AI writes the book. So, what I use AI to do is to help two things. I help to deepen the experience of becoming an author, and I use it to help you get through the process faster, better, stronger. You're the bionic author. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. Anyway, so what I'm going to be talking about today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 of the suite of AI tools that I am creating and have created for my clients in the Road Trip to Authority program. Some of them, a version, are available for you for free. When that's the case, I will let you know. And you can just let me know if you want it or not. All right. Hi, my name is Carma Spence, and I help executive coaches, business leaders, and consultants write, publish, and market client attracting books so that they can grow their business and so that they can become the author who's more grounded in their message and their message is clearer. And to use AI to help them do this more quickly, more effectively, and at a deeper level, a level that they may not have been able to do before AI. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please do me a solid and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that this video and others like it can get out to more people because the algorithm likes it when you like my videos. Just the way it is. So let's get to today's topic. My first tool, which a version of it is available for free, is one that helps you identify your ideal reader. And the first version I created, which you can get for free, just write reader profile in the comments, and I will send you the link to access that. It gives you demographics, it gives you psychographics. It's really good. It probably gives you about 2-3 page report. Well, I came up with some more ideas to enhance it. And yesterday, on July 8th, I created a new version, which I call the Reader DNA Decoder. And it generates like, I think it was like a 16-page report, something like that. It gives you demographics, psychographics, pain points, what they would buy after reading your book, and a 90-day plan for implementing the whole process. It was bonkers. And in order to get that level of research before AI took forever. You had to find actual people and talk to them, which was sometimes really hard. You had to dig into Amazon all by yourself. You had to do it took months to get this level of research done. And now you can do it in under half an hour. So here's a way that AI helps you. Now, obviously, you need to read through what it gives you and say, yes, tweak this, but it gives you a very strong first draft. You can get this done in 30 minutes or less. The next AI tool I've created is a GPT that helps you organize your content. It doesn't, you don't go to it and say, hi, give me an outline for my book. No, before you get to this GPT, you've come up with a list of topics and ideas, and you generally know what you want in your book, but maybe you're struggling with what's the flow, what's the logical flow of these ideas. You give this GPT those ideas, it asks you some questions, and then it says, Here's the logical flow that would help your readers, because you also give it your ideal client profile that you created with the first GPT. And then, of course, you take that outline, you massage it just a little bit more to make sure that it's fully you, and then you begin writing your book. And what's beautiful about the outlines I teach is that they are not written in stone. So AI may have helped you get to that outlook point faster, but the book is still going to evolve as you write it because AI is not writing it, you are writing it. Or you're getting a ghostwriter to write it. There's that too. But a human being is doing the writing. This next GPT I created, I'm really I'm kind of like geeky proud about it. I call it the memory motorhome. And what this does, one of the things that makes a book really solid is having your personal stories illustrate the points. So what the memory motorhome does is help pull out your memories so that you can apply them to your book. Pretty spiffy, eh? No, it's not like Deanna Troy or Star Trek with the aliens that dig into your brain. No, it asks you pointed questions that help you trigger memories. That's the whole point of this particular GPT. Now, just as an aside here, I could create this massive AI tool that you just go in and do all the exercises and you work with one. However, I found it doesn't work as effectively as when I create a very specific AI tool that knows how to do this one thing and this one thing well. So that's why I have all these different GPTs. So if you are enjoying this so far, you might want to join me in the Backstage Blend. You can get there by pointing your camera at this QR code, or you can simply type in buymeacoffee.com/Carma Spence. And for $5 a month, you will get audio versions of this podcast, behind the scenes information, cheat sheets, templates, things I don't share anywhere else. And it's only $5 a month. Now back to number 4. This is another mindset tool that helps you spot and reframe limiting beliefs. And I call it the mindset mirror. Now, as you're becoming the author you need to become, as you're writing your book, as you're doing all the things, you're going to come across a mind goblin or two. And they're going to try and stop you in your tracks. And that's why only 1% of the people who say, I want to write a book, end up writing that book and publishing it because they get stopped along the way. So I've created a suite of mindset GPTs, ones that are specific to different kinds of mindset issues to help you blast through them. And this one is focused on what your limiting beliefs are and how to reframe them as empowering beliefs. AI tool deepens the experience and helps you get over the bumpy parts of the road. And number 5, I have a whole suite of these, but this is just one example, and I call this one the Book Buzz Planner. And what this particular GPT does is it helps you plan for visibility by understanding who you are, who your readers are, what your bandwidth is, and saying these are the platforms you should focus on to promote your book. And it helps you plan out your social media book buzz. It doesn't give you the content, it gives you the idea of, okay, my peeps are really going to be on Facebook. So instead of blasting everywhere, I'm going to focus on Facebook or LinkedIn or Pinterest or X or wherever you will shine the most. And it gives you advice on how much you can do given the time constraints you have. So it works with you to create a plan that's doable because, Lord knows I need that help. Because when I create my book buzz plan, it's usually like 20 pages long and I'm going to do this on this platform and this on this platform and this on, and I do a tenth of it and feel bad because I didn't implement my entire plan. This GPT was created to help you not do that. It helps you focus on what are your best book buzz things to do. So there you go. 5 tools that you can get if you are in the Road Trip to Authority that will help you move through the program more easily. Only one of these is available to the public, and that is a light version. That's the reader profile. If you want that, just drop reader in the comments and I will send that to you. If you want some of these others, you're going to have to join Road Trip to Authority and you're going to have to write your book. Yeah. There'll be no excuses. I'm working hard to make sure that anybody in my program, if they have an excuse, I've got something that will bust through it. I give you prompts, I give you templates, I give you frameworks, I give you cheat sheets, I give you AI assistance. Road Trip to Authority is an experience. It even has songs. In fact, one of them dropped yesterday, Born for the Back Cover. If you want to check out that video, I will make sure it pops up here at the end. That will be the related video, is Born for the Back Cover. Check that out. It's a glam rock, Ziggy Stardust kind of vibe. And I made the whole video kind of psychedelic. I had a lot of fun with green screen over weird paint colors. It was fun, and I hope you enjoy it too. This is Carma Spence saying ciao for now.
Bloopers!
I don't know what GPT stands for. Giant something? I don't know. I don't know what you